Hey everyone, so today we're going to be disabling the seatbelt alarm in my 2002 Ford Mustang. This should be the same for any Ford vehicle made from 1999 till 2004. I believe it might work on a few later models. I have a newer vehicle. I did make a video. I did it on a 2014 F-150. So it'll do everything before 2015. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. So you want to make sure that your headlight switch is off, and you want to make sure your car is in neutral if you have a manual. If you have an automatic, just make sure it's in park. Get your seatbelt ready to be plugged in. And so you want to turn your key to the run position, but do not start the car. You can see there's the seatbelt there. We're going to wait for that to go out. It's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes. And turn the fan off. So once that goes out, you want to put your seatbelt, click it in and out 3 times, ending with the seatbelt unbuckled. And then as soon as we do that, we're going to turn on the headlights and then turn them off. Alright, so the light went out, so now we're going to buckle. 2, 3, unbuckled. And we're going to turn the headlights on, then off, and then buckle, unbuckle, buckle, unbuckle, and 3 times. That light will stay on for 3 seconds, goes out, and then within 7 seconds you want to buckle, and then unbuckle, and then you can see it's flashing, and that means that it is disabled. If you would like to enable the seatbelt minder, then all you have to do is repeat this process and it will enable the seatbelt. So we have no more seatbelt alarm, so you can go ahead and remove your keys and go for a drive if you want. Leave the car if you want, whatever you want. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if this video did help you, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing.